Many keto dieters struggle to lose weight. This video explores pitfalls and dirty versus healthy keto. Dirty keto keeps carbs under 50 grams daily but ignores ingredient quality, leading to processed foods. These contain milk protein isolates, polydextrose, and soy, causing bloating despite low net carbs. Poor sleep for 4 days makes blood values pre-diabetic, harming metabolism. Growth hormone burns fat during sleep. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol, blocking diet benefits. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, making liver produce sugar from protein and fat. This causes cortisol face and visceral fat around belly, face, and organs. Overtraining without recovery halts weight loss. Benefits occur during rest and sleep. Liver and gallbladder produce bile essential for fat breakdown and nutrient absorption. Fatty liver impairs thyroid. Symptoms include bloating and upper right pain. Excess dietary fat like fat bombs makes body burn that instead of stored fat. Pair keto with intermittent fasting. Eat when hungry and reduce added fats when fat adapted. Sluggish thyroid slows metabolism, stalling keto weight loss. Iodine, selenium, and zinc convert T4 to active T3 for metabolism. Antibiotics cause gut microbe imbalance, leading to weight gain. L. Reuteri and cultured yogurt restores healthy gut for weight loss. Low vitamin D from lack of sunlight causes insulin resistance and diabetes risk. Sunlight boosts melatonin for sleep and serotonin for mood. Muscle atrophy slows fat burning. Maintain muscle for better fuel use. Track strength, appetite drop, and energy over scale weight. Frequent snacking keeps insulin high, blocking keto benefits. Cheat days kick you out of ketosis quickly, resetting progress. Metabolic inflexibility from insulin resistance. Ketones bypass to fuel cells. Avoid mistakes with clean keto for optimal weight loss and health.